Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekie's YouTube channel. Today we're here at Busch Gardens in Tampa, Florida, and today we're going to go check out Lory Landing. In our quest to try all the animal encounters here at Busch Gardens, this one's up next, and we're excited to go check it out. So let's go.
Let's go. All right, look who's here at Busch Gardens today. Really excited. We all know we love an animal moment on this channel, especially me, because I'm all about the animals. So we're gonna go inside. We're going to, I think, get some food and see how many birds will be my best friend today. Yeah,
we're gonna go see if we can do some Lory landing. Yeah. Land some lorikeets.
Land some lorikeets.
All right.
That sounds a little double entendre there, but that's fine. So we'll let you guys know how much it costs to feed these guys and all that. So let's go. Here's some fun facts about it.
It says we may also encounter hornbills, pheasants, and other intriguing friends.
Oh, friends. I like friends.
I'm intrigued.
Are you?
Color me intrigued. What color is that?
Blue.
Blue? I was going to say blue too.
Hey, look at that. All right, and here are the hours for today. It's a pro tip. When you leave your wallet at the house, you have a fantastic husband who buys you the lorikeet food.
I'm pretty sure you have Apple Pay on your phone.
No, they don't do Apple Pay here. There's no Apple Pay. Thanks, Sam.
There's Apple Pay.
Okay.
All right, guys, so we got our lorikeet slop. I don't know what this is.
Nectar, my love.
Nectar? Okay. Well, they told us to hold it like an ice cream cone, and then the birds are going to come land on our hands and drink it all up. So let's see how this goes. So they are $10 per cup. We did have an annual pass discount, which means we get it for $10. Okay. Yeah.
And they also said to not feed the birds on the ground because they're nesting season.
Yeah. So don't feed the birds on the ground because they're nesting season. But yeah, with tax and then also like everything in the park for whatever reason has a 5% upcharge that they don't tell you about. It's strange. That's why it's still $10 even with the pass holder discount.
Ready?
Let's go find some birds.
Let's go find some birds. So you're gonna walk through the enclosure first, and then there's an enclosure inside the enclosure, right? So probably a good idea to like pay attention to that because you're not gonna be able to feed the guys who are in like their own little habitats here because they get your fingers. But walk through this door, and you're gonna get mauled by birds, hopefully. Yeah. So they do supposedly have some red fonted macaws here, but I don't see them. Yeah, they're just taking a nap in there.
Oh, he's over there. He's in the back. And some great blue turco.
And he's in the back corner to the left.
Oh, yeah, look at that. He's an
pretty.
Interesting looking bird. Can't zoom in because I only got one hand today. There you go. All right, so we learned the rules. Oh, I'm still spilling. Approaching the birds. Present
Stay
it.
on the path.
Feed the birds.
Yeah.
Don't step on the birds.
Okay. Let's go. Oh, watch out.
So here we go through the forbidden doorway.
The forbidden doorway. It's not forbidden. They allow you to go through it.
Okay.
Oh gosh. Don't spill.
No, don't spill. All right, made it through the door. You gotta find some birds that are hungry. Yeah, he's thinking about it. Oh. No, decided against it. All right, they're thinking about it. They're thinking about coming on down here. Okay, so they're on the ground now, so they are off limits.
All right.
I'm not sure that they know that.
No? Okay. Nope.
What happens? Nothing happens.
Nothing happens.
When something happens in South Central Los Angeles, nothing happens.
Yeah.
Don't finish the rest of that lyric.
I don't know, but I'm not.
We are patiently waiting. No, he's not interested at all. Eat the food. There you go. He's got to be like 10 feet tall. And stick yours up there?
I'm not that tall, buddy. I'm not any taller, so if you want it, you gotta come down a little lower. Here. Yours? No. Listen, bro. We're gonna be friends? No? Alright, listen. I'm trying to be a friend. Don't you be mean to me. Okay, nope, we're done. Why does anybody in the birds want to be my friends today? That bird was mean.
You see if these ones are any nicer?
I don't think so. I don't think there's any nice birds in here. Are you guys interested? No?
That one there, he wants some food.
Are we good? No? Alright, here you go. Just don't bite me. Don't bite me. Just don't bite me.
There you go.
Right,
you made a friend.
Finally.
Oh, was that right in your face?
No, it's on my chest.
No.
Yeah, it's on my chest. All right, we're done. We're done. We are done. All right. Well, so the yellow stuff is from the pollen.
Are you sure? I don't know.
Yeah, I literally just pulled pollen onto my hair. That's what it's from. That's awesome. Here, I can record you. Louis being a lorikeet friend. How you feel? Is this everything you ever wanted?
I think it's what you wanted. I'm just
Yeah.
glad to be getting rid of some of this liquid because we've been staying for a while.
Right.
Although it'd be nice if, like, of course, everybody wants the bird on, like, their hands. But
right.
sometimes you got to get what you can.
Yeah. So you have not been bit and you've not been peed on. Clearly, you are the fan favorite of the day. Because you're a tall boy. That's why. I am not.
I'm just getting tired.
What's it like being Lord's favorite? The lorikeet's favorite.
You want to stick?
No, it's alright. I'm not that. I don't have long arms.
You can stand closer.
All right. Let's try. It's as far as I can go. I'm trying, but I'm not tall.
There you go.
They make you work for it so hard. Here you go. Hey, birdie. Hey, birdie, come on. Let me see the rest of it. No, come on. You can get on my finger. I promise I'm a nice lady.
There you go. You happy now?
Yeah. Oh, now I'm too close? I don't understand. Listen, this is a group project, bro. Y'all done? Okay. Like some more? But you gotta come here for it. Because if I'm any closer to you, I am not that tall, my friend. Okay.
You're really stretching there.
Yeah, I know. We both are. All right, buddy. Finally, we're friends with a bird.
There you go. You made friends.
Made a friend. I only had to get bit and peed on for that to be a thing.
Maybe that'll be the title of the video. I got bit and peed on at Lory Landing.
At Busch Gardens.
Busch Gardens.
You know, at this point in time, we're gonna call it a win. A win is a win. I stood there for, I'm not kidding, 10 minutes. We're only halfway through this. Now I know why they only give you like half an ounce. Even if you spill something, it doesn't really matter.
Well, and now somebody dropped something on the ground over there, even though they said no open containers.
Right.
And the birds are all more interested in that.
No? Okay. All right, fine.
There you go. You found a new friend.
I got 2 friends.
You got 2 of them. Look at you.
Well, it only took me being in here for an hour, but here we are, we're doing it. Oh, you kissed me. No. Hello, little bird, so thank you. You lick my hand. Here, I think he's with the container.
Here, you want the rest of mine?
No, it's all right. I wanted to see. Oh, okay. Oh. Thanks, honey. Are you just over it?
You like it more than I do.
Yeah.
I don't know, when they're all fluffed up like that, I don't get the sense that they really want friends.
Yeah. Oh, really?
I don't know, I guess so.
This just goes to show that eventually you can win them over.
Yeah.
Eventually they will be friends.
Eventually they won't poop on you.
That's twice.
But what do you expect? Everybody's in here feeding them all the time. They gotta dump ballast at some point.
I guess. They really get aimed. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and wrap up the video here. It's a vibe, that's for sure. So here's Lois with the road tips.
Alright, so now Christine's doing the wash of shame.
Listen, while I don't like the fact that it happened, it means that I have a good story to tell. There you go.
Well, now that we finished with the lorikeets, there's still some more birds to see, and these are the macaws.
These are the hyacinth macaws. You're pretty, you're so fluffy. I like your colors. Blue's a good color on us, right? Yeah? No? Okay. Well, nice talking to you.
There
Bye.
he is. The
Bye.
big blue bird.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so here are your pro tips for Lory Landing. I would say number 1 is if you are going to feed the birds, definitely be patient. It takes a while. You may not think that you got a ton of food, but they're not super eager to eat it. People have been trying to feed them all day. So take your time, be patient, wait for them to come to you. Don't just go harass the birds. Pro tip number 2 is they do say that if they're on the ground, they are nesting, so leave the birds alone that are on the ground. That rule was routinely broken, and shame on those people. Shame. And pro tip number 3 is just be aware that you may get bit or pooped on during this experience.
Ask Christine, she'll tell you all about it.
Yeah, and I didn't see a sign for that. It's fairly obvious, but you know, in case you didn't think of that, just be aware it could happen. Could happen to you.
And it wasn't a painful bite. It was just a little like a shock.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just a little bit.
All right. Well, anyways, that's going to do it for today, guys. Remember to hit the subscribe button. We really appreciate it. Really help us out. And with that being said, we're out of here. And we'll see you next weekend.
Bye.
They're playing piggyback ride.
That is not accurate.
All right.
Do you know what it's called?
Lory landing.
Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to
No,
Fishing.
now go.
No. I got my hands all.
You good? You gonna make it?
See you next weekend. So our never-ending. Says we may also encounter hornbills and other intriguing friends.
Nice. Alright, y'all. Where's the sun?
All right, guys. So we got spilling it all over the place.
Hold up. Hold up flat.
All right.
Take two.
I think that woman just said they're lorikeets, whatever that is.
Them. You just watch me get bit, and then you're gonna go get bit yourself.
In fairness, she did the same thing. The person in front of you got bit too.
Okay. Oh, I don't think I realized that. I thought he was out of nectar.
No, the kid got bit.
Oh, did he?
Yeah, the parents were like, "That bird just wants you to leave him alone," and you went right up to it.
I didn't hear it.